All right, so issuance right now is at a record this year. We're seeing very, very strong issuance, and there's a couple of reasons for that. We think one, during COVID, remember the federal government provided a significant amount of COVID aid to states, municipalities, transportation systems. Remember, municipals as an infrastructure asset not only finance state and local governments, they finance transportation systems like railways, like bus systems. They finance airports, they finance toll roads, they finance colleges and universities, they finance hospitals, right? All the critical infrastructure in the United States. So if you remember, that is where a lot of the federal stimulus money went to keep all of these infrastructure assets maintained, right? So if you think about where infrastructure is going, we really need to continue to fund these infrastructure assets at the levels that they're at right now.
So, Craig, I got to ask you, and this is a tough question to talk about. Helene, now Milton bearing down on Florida, et cetera. I mean, more likely than not, down the pike, there's going to be more issuance of munis because of these two natural disasters, I reckon.
Right, yeah. And again, Florida is something we watch closely, and we watch a lot of natural disasters closely, whether it's, the hurricanes that happen in Florida. Hurricanes can hit Texas, they can hit the Carolinas. We're very conscious of wildfires out in California, earthquakes in California. So, yeah, it's a combination of federal and local. Again, the immediate response is usually from the federal government in the form of FEMA money. So fortunately, again, because we're critical infrastructure assets, that usually you see FEMA money coming in. And, when we've seen major natural disasters in the United States, think of Hurricane Katrina back in 2005 that hit New Orleans. There were no payments that were missed in the municipal market because the federal government comes in and supports them. But yes, in the long term, that could also mean increased issuance to do repairs for so much of the infrastructure that's being damaged, unfortunately. And it's just a terrible year for Florida. It's a terrible couple of weeks for Florida right now. So we're watching this very closely over the next couple of days to see where this goes.